Welcome everybody. Here we are in Denver, and it's great to be here with Jack Llewellyn and Katie Fisher and Brent Chicken.
We started off bringing in Rob Willis from the Colorado Oil and Gas Commission. He's headed up our regulatory practice. When a client comes in with an issue, a problem, whether it's in litigation, transactional, or an oil and gas title, they don't have to explain their business, their issue. They don't have to pay for us to go and research the law. We live it, we breathe it every day. They get tremendous value for the attorney fees that they pay. And that's why we have clients that come back to us over and over and over.
Katie, you joined us and took a chance on us and joined the firm. What was the motivating force that brought you here?
You know, it was a series of events, really, but I would venture to say that you really took a chance on me more than the other way around. I saw an opportunity to join the new office in Denver and honestly couldn't pass it up. I'd done some research on Burleson, and it was the firm to be in for oil and gas, particularly in the Rocky Mountain region. Yeah, so Rick, really the opportunity I've been afforded to take this area of law and run with it and learn everything I could has been just overwhelming.
Brent, you were the first one on board here, and set the stage for great things to come.
Rick, what really attracted me to the practice was Burleson's not only interest in opening up a Denver office, but in its willingness to change and adapt to the different challenges that are faced by oil and gas industry operators in the Rocky Mountain West. We have more public lands and more Indian lands, state-owned lands here than anywhere else in the country. The firm expressed a very big interest in not only being a full-service firm, but being able to bring in people that were going to be able to handle those federal government type issues and adapt as we need to.
As you recall, when we first started talking about how to build this office, one of the things I asked you was, who else do you know? Do you have any friends or colleagues that you've worked with that could be potential for leadership in this office? And that was when you said, well, I got the guy you should talk to, and that's Jack Llewellyn.
I had practiced with Jack for a long time. He's been a mentor both personally and professionally to me for many, many years. I can honestly say I probably wouldn't be half the attorney I am if not for his tutelage in many different ways.
And I can tell you that in every respect, it's worked out terrifically, and I feel very confident that it's going to do so in the coming years. One of the exciting practice areas that has developed within our firm is what we're now calling the rapid response due diligence teams. If we have a team of lawyers to put on these large acquisitions, and the great thing about the number of experienced attorneys that we have is that in virtually any jurisdiction around the country, we can put a large number of boots on the ground, you might say.
That's the way our firm's rapid response due diligence capabilities and practice area allow us to immediately service the needs of our clients, frequently in situations where the client has a serious time crunch and time constraints. We're able to meet their goals and expectations. Our response is something that I don't think anybody else in town could have done.
Okay, I got a question for you.
Okay,
tell me about the shoes in this office.
We do have a very healthy selection of shoes, and every time something comes in, it's probably one of the ladies with either a bag or a pair of shoes. So we have a good time. It's wonderful to come to work and know that you're here not only working hard, but with people who work hard as well and who also like to have a good time.
Well, the Denver office of Burleson is integral to the future of the firm, and the vast talent that we've gathered in this office bodes well for our firm for many years to come.